new camera.
Oh. Did you hit
Everything
record?
is clear now.
Did you hit record?
I think so.
Okay, well that's not good enough.
It's blinking. It's blinking.
That doesn't mean anything.
It's blinking.
Okay.
Am I in the frame?
Yeah, like you could be a little bit higher. It's recording. New camera.
So you did it.
Yeah, well, we got a new camera. That's exciting.
A delicious new camera.
Oh, amazing new camera. And
Incredible new camera.
I did. I finished my Warriors.
High definition. It's alright. Just go on.
I finished.
High definition. Okay.
I finished the Warrior craft that I showed you. What, last week? 2 weeks ago?
2 weeks ago, yeah.
Took me a while. It was a tough one.
It was amazing though.
It was so.
The orchard one was amazing.
The orchard one was amazing, but that one wasn't like. This one I had to like do it in stages because it had to like I had to put them together and then let them dry and then like put another piece and let it dry because you couldn't work with like you had to let each stage dry before you could put them down. It was just.
I don't mean by stage. What do you mean by stage?
Because each little man comes naked. Like he doesn't have his helmet on. He doesn't have his flag. He doesn't have his swords. He doesn't have his. You know,
should you show the camera or something?
Yeah, let's show them what this looks like. Hopefully they can. Get closer.
It looks good.
Let's focus on us.
How small is it actually? Like what's the size compared to like a coin or something?
Oh, good question. I wish I had a coin on me.
Or anything. Your eyeball. Your nose.
I mean, nobody knows how big my nose is.
Yeah. We need something.
Like, that everyone knows?
Find something. Bring something.
I'll find something.
Ow.
A pencil.
Ow.
That's not what they do there. Here, lip chat. Everyone knows what lip chat looks like.
Yep. A lip job. And move this.
I'm coming back.
Tiny. So what would you say that the size of these little samurai are?
It says they're 1/100th. 1/100th the size.
That doesn't... Everything is 1/100.
1 over 100?
It's small. Tiny.
It's 100.
The size of a nickel.
It's tiny.
Kind of the size of a nickel.
The ones on the horses, I'd say, are about a quarter. Size of a quarter.
How long did this take you?
A few hours, actually. Like, I'd say probably like 6 hours, but I had to take breaks. Like, I couldn't finish it all in one night, right? Like, I had to build a section, let them dry, build a section, let them dry kind of deal. So, it took me like 3 good evenings after work, where I was working for like maybe a couple hours each evening, like 2.5 hours each evening on it.
3 good evenings.
Yeah, actually it was...
Not 3 bad evenings.
No, not 3 bad evenings.
3 good ones.
No, good ones. 3 good evenings. I was watching Outlander, and it's like battle scenes, so it kind of suited what I was working on. It was very nice.
Well, you made a beautiful artwork here.
I love it. I want to make more. This one was hard though. Like this one was actually harder.
It looks difficult.
Because it was so detailed, and you could bust off their heads really easily.
What did you use? Like what did you use for products? Like what did you use to make it?
Just glue and an X-Acto knife.
Glue?
Just like the other ones.
Huh.
Yeah, just paper glue.
And a steady hand.
Oh, actually, what I should tell you.
And a steady mind.
A steady hand, of course.
And
like
steady
tweezers.
mind.
Tweezers, little tiny tweezers.
And a steady mind.
Ow!
Thanks, folks.